Welcome back and welcome to Lesson 1-4. We're going to use angle addition postulate to solve the following problems. We are given angle CPA is 53 degrees. Angle TPA is 45 degrees. It asks us, what is the angle measure for angle CPT? We simply add these two. We say 53 degrees plus 45 degrees is 98 degrees. That's the angle measure. How do we write it? We're going to write measure of angle CPT is 98 degrees. This is what you should write on paper. Symbols to tell you the measure of angle is how many degrees. All right. Let us continue with our second problem. The second problem says angle A, and I'm going to give it some color, angle A, B, D is here, is 24 degrees. Angle DBC is 23 degrees. Ask us what is angle ABC. We simply add them. We have 47 degrees. Once again, this is what you should write. Is you read as measure of angle ABC is 47 degrees. Done. All right, let us look at our last problem for today. We have an angle. Let us go ahead and name it so it would be easier for us to say it aloud. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D. Okay, we see angle ABD. Measure of angle ABD is 70 degrees. This is given to us. Given. Ask us, what is measure of angle CBD? Of course, you can say angle DBC. All right, we're going to do a very small proof. We see angle because angle ABC, measure of angle ABC is 180 degrees. How do you know that? Because we see this is a straight line. Straight line form a straight angle. Straight angle is 180. So it's by definition. Now, think about it. If you have $180 and your brother or sister, your siblings spend 70, and how much do you have left for yourself? Okay, you simply do a one-step subtraction. Or you can think about, I'm using addition. Why? Because how much I don't know, add 70 is the total amount we two can spend. Or you can think about simply minus. Either way, you are using angle addition postulate. Now, you understand this daily life scenario. Of course, we can also apply to our angle family. We have two angles. They have a budget that is 180 degrees. One spent 70. What is the other one? The other one can only have this much. Of course, we're going to write it down. We say the missing angle measure is how many? 110. Don't forget your degrees, little bubble. All right, that is your skill 3. Happy learning.